Hello my friends, regards from Montenegro, from Lovćen. I'm here at Lovćen and the top of the mountain, and I just really realized something, that life is like a mountain. When you are here on the top, you can see things different, you can see more things, and you can realize more things and come to some conclusion, but also you can fall very easy from the top of the mountain. But at the beginning it is not easy, it is very hard, and at the beginning you can say to yourself, I cannot come to the top of the mountain. Perhaps you will not see the top of the mountain, but step by step you will come to the top of the mountain. Sometimes it's very windy like today, but sometimes there is and the sunshine, and it's a wonderful place, and when I come to this place, I say everything is with a reason. I make one video about the birthday of my YouTube channel, and also I want to make this video for everybody, for you, that you know that it is not easy in life, but step by step you will come to your goal, and you will be successful. Regards from Lovćen, from this beautiful mountain from Montenegro. Wish you all the best, and I wish that your dreams will come true. Bye.